Manufacturers are evolving their technology, moving from the shop floor to the cloud. This, in turn, is shaping how they manage operations, assets, and people. By embracing the cloud, manufacturers unlock scalability, lower operational costs, and secure access to live data anywhere, anytime. From Microsoft Azure and SharePoint to Power BI and Teams, cloud platforms enable seamless collaboration, data centralization, and intelligent decision-making across the organization. Cloud software has the capability to run manufacturing operations. Akita's Microsoft Dynamics 365 solutions seamlessly connect production lines, maintenance operations, and financial systems, transforming fragmented processes into cohesive operations. This unified platform empowers teams with real-time visibility across operations, enabling proactive decision-making, optimized resource allocation, and faster response times to unexpected events. With cloud solutions, security is built in, not bolted on. With solutions such as Microsoft Azure, manufacturers benefit from enterprise-grade protection, automated backups, and compliance with key industry regulations. The impact? Dramatically reduced downtime through predictive maintenance and faster fault resolution, more intelligent production scheduling that adapts to real-time capacity and demand, and sharper data-driven decisions enabled by live operational insights, driving efficiency, agility, and competitive edge across the manufacturing floor. From insight to action, Akita helps manufacturers harness digital transformation for measurable results and sustained growth. To discuss how Akita's cloud solutions can work for your organization, contact us today.